Today we are discussing about states of matter. What are the states of matter? Solid, liquid, gas. Now there are two more states, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate. Now about these two states of matter we are not going to discuss in great details because they are beyond the discussion of our course. However, we shall discuss about solids, liquids and gases in details. Now what are the properties of solids? Solids have definite shape and definite volume. Okay. So if we try to change their shape or volume, they might break, but their shape and volume does not change easily. Okay. What about liquids? Liquids take up the shape of the container in which they are kept. Like water is taking up the shape of the glass in which it is kept. Suppose we have a different shaped container like this. We'll try to just erase this part so that it looks like a container. Right? And if we fill liquid, the liquid will take the shape of the container. Alright? What about gases? Gases will fill up the entire volume of the container in which they are put. Suppose some gas is put in this container, it will take the entire volume of the container. It will take the entire shape of the container as well as the volume of the container. If it is put in this container, it will also take up the entire shape and volume of the container. So if gases are put in a smaller container, they are going to take up the entire shape and volume. If they are put in a larger container, again they are going to take up the entire shape and entire volume of the container. That is not the case with liquids, because liquids may not take up the entire volume of the container. Right? They will take the shape of the container but not the entire volume of the container. So we'll just sum up these three things what we have discussed over here now. So what are the properties of solids? Solids have definite shape, definite volume. Liquids have definite volume but no definite shape, and gases have no definite shape and no definite volume. We'll come over to some other video in which we shall discuss about more properties of solids, liquids and gases, and just take a short break now.